It's Carmine from Barmine Tech, and today we're going to be working with Open Media Vault to make your own NAS. So Open Media Vault is a project that is set up to make your own NAS. It also has availability to add on additional plugins, so if you want to set up like a VPN or a bunch of other ones, you can do so. We're going to focus on the base setup of Open Media Vault today. I'm going to be doing it in ProxMox just because that's the environment that I have up and ready to run it with. But you could do this on a standalone machine. You could do it on a virtual machine. There's a lot of possibilities. I'm just using ProxMox because it's going to be a little bit easier for me to build this out. Open Media Vault is a great tool to make a network share.